Yes, very warm good morning class. As we have started chapter number 4, that is structure of an atom. So till the charged particles you have learned, madam has given the particular explanation till the charged particle. Today we recapitulate the things and then we move to the difference between the charged particles. Children, what we have learned in the first chapter and second chapter about matter. Now what is matter? Matter is object or material which occupies space and having mass. That's what we have learned. Thereafter we have learned that matter is made up of smallest particle which cannot be divided into anything simple. And Dalton has given that particular the name which is known as atoms. That means atoms are made up of particles. So matter, then atoms are made up of particles. And then we will talk about particles. Particles are of positively charged protons, negatively charged electrons and no charged neutrons. So when we talked about the particular very short summary of this, suppose this is the atom just having the nucleus inside it. जैसे आप मूवी देखते हो, मूवी में सबसे पहले ट्रेलर होता है जिससे पता चलता है कि what is there actually the whatever the story, but you cannot see the whole story in same manner. And just give you the hint that when we talk about atom भी अपने आप में एक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर रखता है जिसे हम न्यूक्लियस बोलते हैं. और अलग अलग साइंटिस्ट ने उसके ऊपर रिसर्च किए, एक्सपेरिमेंट किए, देन दे प्रूव दैट एटम कंसिस्ट ऑफ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर जिसे न्यूक्लियस बोला जाता है. और न्यूक्लियस में कहीं ना कहीं दो ही चार्ज पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं, वो है पॉजिटिवली चार्ज प्रोटॉन एंड नो चार्ज न्यूट्रॉन. यू कैन राइट हियर P and N0. And when we talked about electrons, they not stay inside in the nucleus, they stay outside of the nucleus in the orbit, and that particular orbit in which electrons are continuously roaming, that circular path in which the electrons are roaming, that is known as orbit. तो ये summary भी है कि that is all what we have to learn, कि ये चैप्टर में हमें पढ़ना है कि एटम किससे बना है, एटम की जो भी पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च की कौन कौन से साइंटिस्ट ने मिलके एटम के बारे में कहीं ना कुछ ढूंढा. दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द एटम, तो एटम के अंदर 3 पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं. 3 ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर पार्टिकल्स दैट इज नॉट मीन 3, दैट आर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर एटॉमिक नंबर. दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न इन द अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स. बट when we talked about atom, तो एटम की जो भी पर्टिकुलर समरी है वो कैसे बना है. एटम के अंदर एक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर रहता है जिसमें 2 पर्टिकुलर चार्ज पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं. एक तो नो न्यूट्रल चार्ज पार्टिकल जिसे हम न्यूट्रॉन बोलेंगे, जिसके पास कोई चार्ज है नहीं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहते हैं आउटसाइड ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस और वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज होते हैं. और न्यूक्लियस में दूसरा जो पर्टिकुलर पार्टिकल है वो है प्रोटॉन जो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है. तो मैं बोलूँगी एटम के बारे में अगर पूछा जाए तो यहाँ पे मैंने अच्छे से समझा कि ये समरी थी. किसने ढूंढा, न्यूक्लियस किसने ढूंढा, इलेक्ट्रॉन किसने ढूंढे हैं, प्रोटॉन किसने ढूंढा है, न्यूट्रॉन किसने ढूंढा है, कब ढूंढा है. वेन दे हैव डिस्कवर्ड दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट. तो यहाँ पे अगर देखें तो सबसे पहले सपोज दिस इज द एटम. ये सपोज कोई एटम है, तो एटम में हमने पढ़ा कि दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 पर्टिकुलर चार्ज पार्टिकल्स, प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. तो वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं, जैसे हम घर में रहते हैं, ठीक है, वी आर जस्ट देयर लिविंग इनसाइड इन द होम, ठीक है. पर गैया भैंसा को हम घर में नहीं रखेंगे, उनको आउटसाइड ऑफ द हाउस रखेंगे. तो उसी तरह तीन पार्टिकल्स में से एक पार्टिकल को न्यूक्लियस अपने आप में आने देता है नहीं. तो एटम के अंदर क्या है, एटम के अंदर पॉजिटिवली चार्ज फ्यूल है, इट इज नोन एज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज फ्यूल. और उसे रुदरफोर्ड ने नाम दिया है न्यूक्लियस. दैट वी हैव टू लर्न इन द नेक्स्ट पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर्स. रुदरफोर्ड ने न्यूक्लियस को ढूंढा, उसे न्यूक्लियस नाम दिया. उसने बताया कि न्यूक्लियस में 2 पर्टिकुलर पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं. एक तो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज प्रोटॉन P प्लस विच इंडिकेटिंग दैट प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन विच इज denoted by small. Well, outside of So that particular orbit in which the electrons are there continuously rotating without any kind of disturbance. They are continuously rotating around the nucleus in the orbit. So who have discovered nucleus, who have discovered the orbit, who have discovered the proton, neutron, electron? That's what we have to learn. But before that, we are just seeing that what is the difference between the three charged particles which are there present inside the atom. So we just learn the difference. In the difference we learn about their location, वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं एटम में, then which particular charge they contain, that means वो positively charged है, negatively charged है, कोई charge नहीं है. Then third कि उनका mass क्या है, what is the mass of that particular particles. Then fourth, who has discovered that particles, and fifth, that how they are different according to their size. That's what we have to learn in the form, tabular form. We have to learn the difference in the tabular form. So kindly copy it down in the notebook also, the difference. What that is all known as properties. In properties we are learning about their location, then their denotation, that how they are represented, then third, who has discovered them, then fourth, where they are located in the atom, and fifth, their mass, and sixth, their charge. That's what we have to learn. So in that particular, we just see the difference. Now we see the difference, that how they are differ from each other children. Let us see the difference. Already we have talked about what we have to see in the difference children. We have to see about the representation, how they are represented, or how they are giving notation to that subatomic particles. उसे subatomic particles भी बोला जाता है. That subatomic particles are proton, electron and neutron. That means atom is made up of three subatomic particles. First is proton, second is electron and third is neutron. So how they are represented? उसे कैसे represent करेंगे? So they have a particular identification, notation or representation where electron, when we talk about, they are represented by small e. You can see here they are just going to be there represented by small e. When we talk about proton, they are going to be there represented by small p, and neutron they are represented by small n. Now discover, who has discovered proton, electron and neutron? तो discovery में J.J. Thomson has discovered electron in the year of 1897. 1897 में whatever the discovery J.J. Thomson has done, according to that, we say that negatively charged particles travels from anode to cathode, positive to negative part. उसके बाद proton, who has discovered proton? So proton was discovered by E. Goldstein. E. Goldstein ने प्रोटॉन को ढूंढा है. प्रोटॉन ढूंढने के बाद he has discovered in the year of 1886. But Rutherford was the one who has given the name that canal rays or anode rays or positively charged rays are known as proton. That name was given by Rutherford. See children, याद रखो कि गोल्डस्टीन ने उसे डिस्कवर किया इन द ईयर ऑफ 1886, बट उसे जो नाम मिला है प्रोटॉन का वो 1911 में मिला, जो रुथरफोर्ड ने उसे नाम दिया है. दैट मीन्स डिस्कवर्ड बाय, that was discovered by E. Goldstein, whereas named by Rutherford. Now last, that is neutron. Neutrons are going to be discovered by James Chadwick in the year of 1932. You can write the year in the separate particular part. I have just written in the combined manner. That means proton are discovered by Goldstein, named by Rutherford. Electrons, it is discovered by Thomson, J.J. Thomson in the year of 1897. E. Goldstein in the year of 1886 he has discovered, but after that discovery Rutherford has given that name to the canal rays or positively charged rays. They are known as proton, and James Chadwick has said that the neutron are discovered in the year of 1932. So these are the discovery. Now charge, what the charge they all have, कौन सा चार्ज रखते हैं? तो इलेक्ट्रॉन, they are the negatively charged species particles, and they are carrying negative charge. When we talk about proton carrying positively charged or a positive charge. charged particles, they are the neutral particles. Now after charge we have to just write about the mass, which particular is having mass about the electron. You can see here mass is 0.00000987, so it is negligible in the terms of AMU. Now AMU is atomic mass unit, and it is also there in the kg when we talked about. So in the kg it is equal to 0.91 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. That what we have to learn in 11th class. प्रोटॉन का जो मास है वो है 1.67 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 27 kg. बट अगर एटॉमिक मास यूनिट के फॉर्म में उसके मास की बात करते हैं वो है 1 AMU. Now when we talked about proton and neutron, both are carrying the equal mass. So in the terms of AMU, that is atomic mass unit की term, following term में बात करते हैं. So both proton as well as neutron, they carrying the one atomic mass unit. Lastly, where they are located, their location we have talked about. Where they are located when we talked about. So when we talked about their location, you can see here. When we talked about the electrons are there located outside of the nucleus. अभी हमने वो डायग्राम में देखा एटम का स्कीमेटिक डायग्राम देखा जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक सर्कुलर पाथ में रखा गया है. दैट सर्कुलर पाथ इज नोन एज ऑर्बिट, वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय बोर. और वो ऑर्बिट में इलेक्ट्रॉन कंटिन्यूसली दे आर गोइंग टू रोटेटिंग विदाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस. नाउ प्रोटॉन दे स्टे इनसाइड इन द न्यूक्लियस, whereas that particular neutron also there stay inside in the nucleus. So this is all particular about the, when we can talk about the number of the particular representation of the electron is small e. प्रोटॉन को स्मॉल p से डिनोट किया जाता है. न्यूट्रॉन को when we talk about it is represented by small n. डिस्कवरी किसने की है तो प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कवर्ड बाय J.J. थॉमसन इन द ईयर ऑफ 1987. प्रोटॉन इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्कवर्ड बाय E. गोल्डस्टीन इन द ईयर ऑफ 1886. बट आफ्टर दैट 100 years gap in the year of 1911, Rutherford has named that positively charged rays as a proton. And when we talk about neutron, you can see here James Chadwick has discovered neutrons in the year of 1932. Now about the charge, when we talked about electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, and neutrons they are known as no charge, neutral charge species or particles. Now about the mass, इलेक्ट्रॉन बहुत छोटे मास वाला है तो नेग्लिजिबल मास लिखेंगे. Then after when we talked about here, you can see the proton and neutron, they are the mass which is equal to 1 AMU. AMU stands for atomic A, mass M and unit U, and where they are located children. So they are, when we talked about the location, electrons are stays outside of the nucleus, protons just stays inside the nucleus, and neutron are again inside in the nucleus. Now we see about the schematic diagram of the structure of an atom with the particular subatomic particles. So here the question is going to be asked in such kind of manner that name the 3 subatomic particles of the atom and draw the schematic diagram for the structure of an atom. So children, when we talked about the subatomic particles, atom is made up of 3 subatomic particles. Already we have discussed, that is proton, neutrons and electrons. You can see here that atom is made up of 3 subatomic particles: proton, neutron and electrons. Now we see the schematic structure of the atom. Atom is consist with the positively charged sphere that is known as nucleus. Inside the nucleus you can see that proton which is positively charged, neutron that is no charge, zero charge, neutral charge, and in the outside of the nucleus you can see the dotted lines which is known as orbit. In the orbit electrons are continuously rotating. So we can see from the diagram that proton, neutron they stay inside the nucleus, whereas electrons they are there outside of the nucleus. They are continuously rotating without any kind of disturbance.